Chapter 7, 7장 The Lion and the Unicorn, 사자와 유니콘. The next moment, 다음 순간에 soldiers came running through the wood. 군인들이 숲을 헤치고 달려왔어요. At first, 처음에는 in twos and threes, 2명씩, 3명씩, then 10 or 20 together, 다음에는 10명씩, 20명씩, and at last, 마침내 in such crowds that they seemed to fill the whole forest. 그 군인들이 숲 전체를 차지하는 것처럼 보였죠. Alice got behind the tree. 앨리스는 나무 뒤에 숨었어요. For fear of being run over. 발을 밟힐까봐. I watched them go by. 그들이 지나가는 모습을 지켜봤죠. She thought that in all her life, 앨리스 평생에 she had never seen soldiers so uncertain on their feet. 그렇게 휘청거리는 군인들을 본 적이 없죠. They were always tripping over something or other. 군인들은 항상 뭐에 걸려서 and whenever one went down, 누군가가 쓰러지면 several more always fell over him. 그 군인 위로 다른 여러 명이 쓰러졌고 so that the ground was soon covered with the little heaps of men. 그래서 땅에는 사람들이 많이 깔려져 있었어요. Then came the horses. 그런 다음에 말들이 왔죠. Having 4 feet. 4개의 발이 있어서 this man did rather better than the foot soldiers. 군인들보다는 잘했지만 but even they stumbled now and then. 여기저기서 그 말들도 넘어졌고 and it seemed to be a regular rule that 마치 규칙이 있는 듯 했죠. Whenever a horse stumbled, the rider fell off instantly. 말이 떨어지면 기수도 같이 떨어졌어요. The confusion got worse every moment. 점점 더 혼란스러워졌고 and Alice was very glad to get out of the wood into an open place. 공터로 빠져나올 수 있게 돼서 앨리스는 기뻤죠. Although she found the white king seated on the ground. 그곳에서 하얀 왕이 땅에 앉아 있었고 busily writing in his memorandum book. 그의 수첩에 뭔가를 바삐 적고 있었죠. I sent them all. 내가 걔네들을 다 불러온 거야. The king cried in a tone of delight. 왕은 기쁨에 찬 목소리로 외쳤어요. On seeing Alice, 앨리스를 쳐다보며 Did you happen to meet any soldiers, my dear? 군인들을 만나보았니? As she came through the wood. 숲속을 걸어오면서 Yes, I did. 그랬죠, said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Several thousand, I should think. 수천 명의 군인들이요. 4,207. 4,207명이란다. That's the exact number. 정확한 수치지. The king said. 왕이 말했어요. Referring to his book. 자기 책을 보면서. I couldn't send all the horses, you know. 근데 말을 다 보낼 순 없었어. Because 2 of them are wanted in the game. 왜냐면 2마리는 게임에 참가해야 했고. And I haven't sent the 2 messengers either. 나는 2명의 심부름꾼을 아직 못 보냈는데. They are both gone to the town. 모두 마을로 갔거든. Just to look along the road. 길을 돌아보려고. And tell me if you can see either of them. 돌아다니다가 보이면 나한테 말해줘. I see nobody on the road. 아무도 못 봤어요. said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. I only wish I had such eyes. 나도 그런 눈을 가졌으면 좋겠다. The king remarked in a fretful tone. 초조한 목소리로 왕이 말했죠. To be able to see nobody. 아무도 못 볼 수 있도록 말이야. nobody를 볼 수 있는 눈 말이야. And at that distance too. 그렇게 멀리서. It's as much as I can do to see real people by this light. 이런 불빛 아래서는 진짜 사람만 볼 수 있는데 This was lost on Alice. 무슨 말인지 모르겠죠. Who was still looking intently along the road. 열심히 길가를 살펴보고 있었어요. 앨리스가 shading her eyes with one hand. 한 손으로 눈을 가리고 I see somebody now. 누군가 보여요. She exclaimed at last. 마침내 앨리스가 외쳤죠. But he's coming very slowly. 하지만 저 사람은 아주 천천히 오고 있어요. And what curious attitudes he goes into. 그리고 이상한 태도를 갖추고 이상한 자세로 오고 있어요. But the messenger kept skipping. 왜냐하면 그 심부름꾼은 up and down 폴짝폴짝 뛰고 있었고 and wriggling like an eel 뱀장어처럼 몸을 비비 꼬고 있었고 as he came along 오면서 with his great hands spread out like fans on his side 양쪽으로 팔을 부채처럼 펼치고 왔죠. 나래로 아니야 said the king 왕이 말했어요. He's an Anglo-Saxon messenger 그는 앵글로색슨족 심부름꾼이고 and those Anglo-Saxon attitudes 그게 앵글로색슨족들의 자세지. He only does that when he's happy. 그가 행복할 때만 저래. His name is Heya. 그의 이름은 헤이야야. He pronounces so as to rhyme with mayor. 마치 mayor랑 라임을 맞추듯이 발음했죠. I love my love with an H. 나는 H가 들어간 말을 좋아해요. Alice couldn't help beginning. 앨리스는 이렇게 말을 했죠. Because he is happy. 행복하니까요. I hate him with an H. 나는 H가 들어간 사람이 싫어요. Because he is hideous. 그는 끔찍하니까요. I fed him with ham sandwiches and hay. 나는 그에게 햄 샌드위치랑 호미를 먹였죠. His name is Haya and he lives. 그의 이름은 헤이하고 and 어디 사냐면 he lives on the hill. 그는 언덕에 살지. The king remarked simply. 왕이 단순히 말했죠. Without the least idea that he was joining in the game. 그가 그 게임에 참가하고 있다는 생각 없이 while Alice was still hesitating for the name of a town beginning with H. 앨리스는 여전히 H로 시작하는 도시 이름을 생각하고 있었어요. The other messengers called the hotel. 다른 심부름꾼은 모자 장수야. I must have two, you know. 나에게는 두 명의 심부름꾼이 있지. To come and go, 오고 가는. Want to come, 하나는 와야 되고 and want to go, 하나는 가야지. I beg your pardon, 뭐라고요? said Alice. Alice가 물었죠. It isn't respectable to beg, said the king. 그렇게 간청할 필요는 없는데. I knew meant that I didn't understand. 이해가 안 돼서요. said Alice가 말했죠. Why want to come and want to go? 왜 한 명은 와야 되고 한 명은 가야 되죠? Didn't I tell you? 내가 말 안 해줬니? The king repeated impatiently. 왕은 참을성 없이 말했죠. I must have two. 나에게는 두 명 있어야 돼. To fetch and carry. 가져가고 가져올 사람이 want to fetch. 한 명은 가져와야 되고 and want to carry. 한 명은 가져가야 돼. At this moment, 이 순간에 the messenger arrived. 그 심부름꾼이 도착했죠. He was far too much out of breath to say a word. 그는 숨이 너무 차서 말을 할 수가 없었고 and couldn't wave his hands about. 손만 흔들고 있었어요. And make the most fearful faces at the poor king. 그 불쌍한 왕에게 정말 무시무시한 얼굴을 들이댔죠. This young lady loves you with an H. 여기 있는 아가씨가 H로 시작하는 당신을 좋아한대요. The king said. 임금이 말했죠. Introducing Alice in the hope of turning off the messenger's attention from himself. 심부름꾼의 관심을 그로부터 돌리기 위해서 앨리스를 소개했어요. But it was no use. 하지만 소용이 없었죠. The Anglo-Saxon attitudes only got more extraordinary every moment. 앵글로색슨족의 태도는 점점 더 과장되어졌고 while the great eyes rolled wildly from side to side. 이리저리 커다란 눈을 굴렸죠. You alarm me. 나를 놀래키네. said the king. 왕이 말했어요. I feel faint. 쓰러질 것 같아. Give my ham sandwich. 나에게 햄 샌드위치를 줘. On which the messenger. 그래서 그 심부름꾼은 to Alice's great amusement. 앨리스는 아주 재밌었는데 opened the bag that hung round his neck. 그의 목에 들은 가방을 열고 and handed the sandwich to the king. 왕에게 샌드위치를 건넸죠. Who devoured greedily. 아주 욕심 가득하게 먹어치웠어요. Another sandwich, 다른 샌드위치를 줘. said the king. 왕이 말했죠. There's nothing but hay left now. 호밀밖에 남지 않았어요. The messenger said. 심부름꾼이 말했죠. Peeping into the bag. 가방을 들여다보면서 Hey then, 그러면 호밀 줘. The king murmured in a faint whisper. 속삭이면서 왕이 말했죠. Alice was glad to see that it revived him a good deal. 앨리스는 빵을 먹고 왕이 기분이 좋아진 것 같아서 기뻤고 There's nothing like eating hay when you're faint. 쓰러질 것 같을 땐 호밀빵을 먹는 것 같은 것은 없지. He remarked to her. 앨리스에게 말했죠. As he munched away. 오작오작 씹으면서 I should think throwing cold water over you will be better. 제 생각엔 찬물을 끼얹는 게 더 나을 것 같은데요. 앨리스 suggested. Or some sal volatile. 아니면 탄산 암모니아 순하요. I didn't say there was nothing better. 더 나은 거 없다고 말한 건 아니야. The king replied. 왕이 말했죠. I said there was nothing like it. 그런 것과 같은 게 없다는 거지. But Alice did not venture to deny. 앨리스는 감히 부정하지 않았어요. Who did you pass on the road? 길가에서 누굴 봤니? The king went on. 왕이 말했죠. Holding out his hand to the messenger from some more hay. 호미를 좀 더 달라고 심부름꾼에게 손을 건넸죠. Nobody를 봤습니다. said the messenger. 메신저가 말했죠. Quite right, 맞아. said the king. 이 왕이 말했죠. This young lady saw him too. 이 아가씨도 그를 봤대. So of course nobody walks slower than you. 그러니까 nobody가 너보다 더 천천히 걸었다는 거지. I do my best. 전 최선을 다했어요. The messenger said in a silky tone. 불투한 목소리로 심부름꾼이 말했죠. I'm sure nobody works much faster than I do. 아무도 저보다 빨리 달리지 못해요. He can't do that. 그럴 순 없지, said the king. 왕이 말했죠. Or else 그렇지 않으면 he'd have been here first. 여기 먼저 왔을 테니까. However, 하지만 now you've got your breath. 이제 숨 좀 돌렸으니 you may tell us what's happened in the town. 도시에서 무슨 일이 벌어지는지 알려줘. I'll whisper it. 제가 작은 소리로 말할게요. said the messenger. 그 심부름꾼이 말했죠. Putting his hands to his mouth. 그의 입에다 in the shape of trumpet. 손으로 트럼펫 모양을 만들어서 and speaking so as to get close to the king's ear. 왕의 귀에 가져다 댔어요. Alice was sorry for this. 앨리스는 안타까웠죠. As she wanted to hear the news too. 앨리스도 그 소식을 듣고 싶었기 때문에. However, 하지만 instead of whispering 속삭이는 것 대신에 he simply shouted at the top of his voice. 아주 우렁차게 말을 했죠. They're at it again. 또 그들은 싸우고 있어요. Do you call that a whisper? 그게 속삭이는 거냐? cried the poor king. 불쌍한 왕이 외쳤죠. Jumping up and shaking himself. 펄쩍 뛰고 몸을 떨면서 If you do such a thing again, 또다시 이런 짓을 하면 I'll have you buttered. 너에게 버터를 바를 거야. I went through and through my head like an earthquake. 거의 지진이 나는 줄 알았잖아, 내 머릿속에. It would have to be very tiny earthquake. 그렇다면 아주 작은 지진이겠네. thought Alice. 앨리스가 생각했죠. Who are at it again? 누가 싸운다고? She ventured to ask. 앨리스가 물었죠. Why the lion and the unicorn of course. 사자와 유니콘입니다. said the king. 왕이 말했어요. Fighting for the crown. 왕관을 갖기 위해 싸운다고? Yes, to be sure. 확실합니다. said the king. 왕이 말했죠. And the best of joke is 웃긴 건 that it's my crown all the while. 내 왕관인데. Let's run and see then. 얼른 가서 보자. And they trotted off. 그들은 달려갔어요. Alice repeating to self. She ran. The words of the old song. 달려가면서 앨리스는 이런 노래를 불렀죠. The lion and the unicorn were fighting for the crown. 사자와 유니콘이 왕관을 가지려고 싸우네. The lion beat the unicorn around the town. 사자는 유니콘을 동네를 돌면서 때렸네. Some gave them white bread. 누군가가 그들에게 흰빵을 주었지. Some gave them brown. 누군가가 그들에게 갈색빵을 주었지. Some gave them plum cake. 누군가가 그들에게 건포도 케이크를 주었지. And drummed them out of town. 그리고 드럼을 울려서 마을에서 쫓아냈지. Does the one that wins get the crown? 이긴 사람이 왕관을 가졌나요? She asked as 앨리스가 물었어요. As well as she could, for the run was putting her quite out of breath. 숨이 차서 힘들게 말을 했죠. Do you mean? No, 아니요. said the king. 왕이 말했죠. What an idea. 그게 뭐야. Would you be good enough? Alice panted out. 앨리스가 헐떡거리며 말했어요. After running a little further, 조금 더 달려간 뒤에 to stop a minute. 잠깐 멈춰도 될까요? Just to get one's breath again. 숨 좀 돌리게. I'm good enough. 난 괜찮은데. The king said. 왕이 말했죠. Only I'm not strong enough. You see, a minute goes by so briefly kick. 나는 그렇게 강하지 않아. 1분은 너무 빨리 지나가니까. You might as well try to stop a bandersnatch. bandersnatch를 멈추는 게 더 쉬울걸? I said no more breath for talking. 앨리스는 숨이 너무 차서 말할 수가 없어서 So they trotted on in silence. 조용히 뛰어갔죠. Till they came inside of a great crowd. 많은 군중이 모여 있었고 In the middle of which 그 가운데에는 The Lion and Unicorn were fighting. 사자와 유니콘이 싸우고 있었어요. They were in such a cloud dust. 먼지가 가득해서 that at first 처음에는 Alice could not make out which was which. 누가 누군지 알 수가 없었죠. But she soon managed to distinguish the unicorn by his horn. 하지만 곧 앨리스는 뿔을 보고 유니콘을 구분할 수 있었어요. They placed themselves close to where I had time. 그리고 모자 장수가 보였는데 The other messenger, 다른 심부름꾼이죠. was standing watching the fight. 그 싸움을 구경하고 있었어요. With a cup of tea in one hand. 한 손에는 찻잔을 들고 And a piece of bread and butter. 한 손에는 버터 바른 빵을 들고 In the other. He's only just out of prison. 저 사람은 방금 감옥에서 나왔어. And he hadn't finished his tea when he was sent in. 감옥에 들어갈 때 차를 다 마시지 못했다지. 헤이야 whispered to Alice. 헤이야가 앨리스에게 속삭였어요. And they only give them oyster shells in there. 감옥에서는 굴껍질만 준대. So you see, he's very hungry. 그러니까 그는 아주 배고프고 thirsty, 목마를 거야. How are you, dear child? 얘야, 넌 어떠니? He went on, putting his arm affectionately around the Hatta's neck. 그는 그 팔을 모자장수 목에 애정어리게 둘렀어요. 하타 looked around and nodded. 하타가 돌아보면서 끄덕였죠. And went on with his bread and butter. 버터 바른 빵을 들고 걸어갔어요. Were you happy in prison, dear child? 감옥에서는 행복했니? said Heya. 헤이야가 물었죠. 하타 looked around once more. 하타는 한 번 더 돌아봤죠. This time a tear or two trickled down his cheek. 한두 방울의 눈물이 떨어졌어요. But not a word would he say. 말은 없이. Speak, can't you? 말을 해봐. 헤이야 cried impatiently. 희야는 참지 못하고 외쳤죠. But 하타 only munched away. 하지만 하타는 우적우적 씹기만 했고 and drank some more tea. 차를 더 마셨어요. Speak, won't you? 말 좀 해보라니까. cried the king. 왕이 말했죠. How are they getting on with the fight? 싸움은 어떻게 돼가고 있어? 하타 made a desperate effort. 하타는 최선을 다했죠. And swallowed a large piece of bread and butter. 커다란 버터 바른 빵을 삼켰어요. They are getting on very well. 잘하고 있습니다. He said in a choking voice. 막히는 목소리로 말했어요. Each of them has been down about 87 times. 각각 87번씩 넘어졌습니다. Then I suppose they'll soon bring the white bread and the brown. 그러면 이제 사람들이 흰빵과 갈색빵을 나눠다 주겠지. Alice ventured to remark. 앨리스가 말했죠. It's waiting for him now. 기다리고 있는 중입니다. said 하타. 모자 장수가 말했죠. This is a bit of it as I'm eating. 이게 제가 그것 중에 일부를 조금 먹고 있는 겁니다. There was a pause in the fight just then. 그때 싸움이 멈췄고 and the lion and the unicorn sat down. 사자와 유니콘이 앉았죠. panting. 숨을 헐떡이며 while the king called out. 왕은 외쳤죠. 10 minutes allowed for refreshments. 간식을 먹기 위해 10분을 주겠노라. Heya and Hatta set to work at once. 헤이어와 모자 장수는 당장 작업에 들어갔죠. Carrying rough trays of white and brown bread. 흰빵과 갈색빵을 가지고 나왔어요. Alice took a piece to taste. 앨리스는 살짝 뜯어 먹었는데 but it was very dry. 아주 딱딱했죠. I don't think they'll fight anymore today. 더 이상 오늘은 안 싸울 것 같구나. The king said to Hatta. 왕이 모자 장수에게 말했죠. Go and order the drums to begin. 가서 드럼을 치게 하도록 해라. And Hatta went bounding away like a grasshopper. 그래서 모자 장수는 메뚜기처럼 뛰어갔습니다. For a minute or two, 1, 2분 동안 Alice stood silent. 앨리스는 가만히 서 있었어요. Watching him, 그를 보면서 Suddenly, 갑자기 she brightened up. 앨리스 표정이 밝아졌죠. Look, 보세요. She cried. 앨리스가 외쳤어요. Pointing eagerly. 저쪽을 가리키면서 There's a white king running across the country. 저기 하얀 여왕이 뛰어오고 있어요. She came flying out of the wood over yonder. 저쪽 숲에서 날아오고 있어요. How fast those kings can run. 저 여왕들은 왜 이렇게 잘 달려요? There's some enemy after her. No doubt. 당연히 여왕 뒤에 적이 있겠지. The king said. 왕이 말했죠. Without even looking around. 돌아보지도 않고. That was full of them. 숲속에는 적이 많아. But aren't you going to run and help her? 임금님이 달려가서 도와주시지 않으시겠어요? Alice asked. 앨리스가 물었죠. Very much surprised at his talking so quietly. 그가 너무 조용히 앉아있는 것에 놀라서 No use, no use. 그럴 필요 없어, said the king. 왕이 말했죠. She runs so fearfully quick. 아주 재빠르게 달리니까 you might as well try to catch a Bandersnatch. Bandersnatch를 잡는 게 더 나을걸? But I'll make a memorandum about her if you like. 하지만 네가 원한다면 그녀에 대해서 메모를 해야겠지. She's a dear good creature. 그녀는 정말 훌륭한 생물이야. He repeated softly to himself. 그는 조용히 혼자 말했고 as he opened his memorandum book, 첩을 열었죠. This by creature with a double E. 그 철자를 쓸 때 e를 2번 쓰나? At this moment, 이 순간, the unicorn entered by them. 유니콘이 천천히 걸어왔어요. With his hands in his pockets. 그의 손을 주머니에 넣은 채로. I had the best of it this time. He said to the king. 이번에 최선의 것을 먹었으니까 그가 왕에게 말했죠. Just glancing at him as he passed. 지나치면서 그를 씩 보며 a little, 약간. The king replied. 왕은 대답했죠. Rather nervously, 살짝 긴장해서 You shouldn't have run him there with your horn, you know. 볼로 그를 찌고 가지 않았으면 더 좋았을 텐데. It didn't hurt him. 상처내지 않았어요. The unicorn said carelessly. 무심하게 유니콘이 말했죠. And he was going on when his eye happened to fall upon Alice. 가다가 눈길이 앨리스에게 머물렀죠. He turned around rather instantly. 갑작스럽게 휙 돌더니 and stood for some time looking at her. 앨리스를 쳐다봤어요. With an air of the deepest disgust. 혐오감이 느껴진다는 듯이. What is this? 이건 뭐죠? He said at last. 마침내 그가 말을 했죠. This is a child. 아이야. Hey야, replied eagerly. Hey야가 열심히 대답했어요. Coming in front of Alice to introduce her. 앨리스 앞으로 와서 앨리스 소개를 했죠. And spreading out both his hands towards her. 그의 양 손을 앨리스 쪽으로 펼치고 in an Anglo-Saxon attitude, Anglo-Saxon 스타일로 We only found it today. 오늘 우리가 발견했어. It's as large as life. 실물 크기랑 똑같아. And twice as natural. I always thought they were fabulous monsters. 나는 그것들이 아주 멋진 괴물들이라고 생각했는데 said unicorn. 유니콘이 말했죠. Is it alive? 살아있어? It can talk. 말도 해. said Heya. Heya가 말했죠. 소lemnly 엄숙하게. The unicorn looked dreamily at Alice. 유니콘은 꿈꾸듯이 앨리스를 쳐다봤죠. And said, talk, child. 얘야 말해봐. Alice could not help her lips curling up into a smile as she began. 앨리스 입가에는 미소가 지어졌죠. Do you know I was the unicorns were fabulous? 나도 항상 유니콘들은 monsters, 멋있는 괴물이라고 생각해왔어. I never saw one alive before. 살아있는 건 한 번도 본 적이 없어. Well, now that we have seen each other, 이제는 우리가 서로 보았네. said the unicorn. 유니콘이 말했죠. If you believe in me, 네가 날 믿어준다면 I believe in you. 내가 널 믿어줄게. Is that a bargain? 이러면 협상이 된 건가? Yes, if you like. 좋아, said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Come, fetch out the pancake, old man. 와서 건포도 케이크를 가져가자. The unicorn went on, turning from her to the king. 왕에게 몸을 돌렸어요. None of your brown bread for me. 가시빵이 남지 않았군요. Certainly 남았지. The king muttered. 왕이 중얼거렸죠. And beckoned to Heya. 헤이야에게 손짓을 했어요. Open the bag. 가방을 열어봐. He whispered. 그가 속삭였죠. Kick, not that one that's full of hay. 그 가방 말고 그 가방엔 호밀만 있잖아. 헤이야 took a large cake out of the bag. 헤이야는 가방에서 커다란 케이크를 꺼냈고 and gave it to Alice to hold. 앨리스에게 잡고 있으라고 했죠. While he got out a dish and carving knife. 그리고 접시와 칼을 꺼냈어요. How they all came out of it, Alice couldn't guess. 어떻게 그 많은 것들이 가방에서 나오는지 추측조차 못했죠. It was just like a conjuring trick. 마치 마법을 부리는 것 같았어요. She thought, 앨리스가 생각하길. The lion had joined them while this was going on. 사자도 왔죠. He looked very tired and sleepy. 그는 아주 피곤하고 졸려 보였어요. And his eyes were half shut. 눈은 반쯤 감겨 있었죠. What's this? 이건 뭐죠? He said, blinking lazily at Alice. 앨리스를 보면서 눈을 깜빡였죠. And speaking in a deep, hollow tone. 그리고 깊고 울리는 목소리로 말했어요. That sounded like the tolling of a great bell. 커다란 종이 울리는 소리 같았죠. And what is it now? The unicorn cried eagerly. You'll never guess I couldn't. 이게 뭐냐고? 너는 추측조차 못할걸? 나도 못했으니까. The lion looked at it, Alice wearily. 사자는 앨리스를 피곤하게 쳐다봤고. Are you animal? 너는 동물이니? Vegetable, 식물이니? Or mineral, 광물이니? He said, yawning every other word. 하품을 하며 말했죠. It's a fabulous monster. 멋진 괴물이야. The unicorn cried out. 그 유니콘이 말했죠. Before Alice could reply. 앨리스가 대답하기 전에. Then hand round the pancake monster. 그런 괴물아. 건포도 케이크를 나눠줘. The lion said, lying down and putting his chin on his paws. 사자가 앉아서 그의 턱을 발에 올려놓으며 말했죠. And sit down, both of you. 둘 다 앉아요. The king and the unicorn. 왕과 유니콘에게 말했죠. Fair play with the cake. 케이크를 골고루 나눕시다. You know. The king was evidently very uncomfortable at having to sit down between the two great creatures. 왕은 두 마리의 거대한 생물 사이에 앉는 게 불편했지만 but there was no other place for him. 다른 데 앉을 데가 없었죠. What a fight we might have for the crown now. The unicorn said. 왕관을 위해서 얼마나 멋있게 싸웠는지. Looking slyly up at the crown. 그 왕관을 쳐다보며 말했죠. The poor king was nearly shaking off his head. 그 불쌍한 왕은 머리를 떨었고 he trembled so much. 너무 많이 떨었어요. I should win easy. 내가 쉽게 이길 수 있지. said the lion. 사자가 말했어요. I'm not so sure of that. 그건 확실하지 않아. said the unicorn. 유니콘이 말했죠. I bet you around the town. You chicky. 이 겁쟁이야. 내가 마을을 돌아다니면서 널 때렸잖아. The lion replied angrily. 사자가 화가 나서 대답했죠. Forgetting of his spoke. 거의 일어나려고 했어요. Here the king interrupted. 여기서 왕이 끼어들었고 to prevent the quarrel going on. 말싸움을 막으려고. Was very nervous. 그는 아주 초조했죠. And his voice quite quivered. 목소리도 떨렸고요. All around the town, he said. 동네를 돌아다니면서 That's a good long way. 정말 긴 길을 다녔네. Did you go by the old bridge? 오래된 다리를 건넜나? Or the marketplace? 시장을 건넜나? You get the best view by the old bridge. 그 오래된 다리 위에서 보는 뷰가 좋은데? I'm sure I don't know. 모르겠어요. The lion growled out as he lay down again. 사자는 으르렁대면서 다시 누웠죠. There was too much dust to see anything. 먼지가 많아서 보이는 게 없었어요. What a time the monster is cutting up the cake. 괴물아, 왜 이렇게 케이크 자르는데 오래 걸려? Alice had seated herself on the bank of a little brook. 앨리스는 작은 시내가에 앉아서 with a great dish on her knees, 커다란 접시를 무릎에 올리고 and was sawing away diligently with a knife. 칼로 열심히 썰고 있었어요. It's very provoking. 짜증나네, she said. 앨리스가 말했죠. In reply to the lion, 사자에게. She was getting quite used to being called a monster. 앨리스는 자기를 괴물이라고 부르는데 익숙해졌고 I've cut several slices already. 여러 번 잘랐는데도 but they always join in again. 또 자꾸 붙어. I don't know how to make looking glass cakes. 거울나라의 케이크를 다루는 방법을 모르는구나. The unicorn remarked. 유니콘이 말했죠. Hand it round first. 먼저 나눠주고 and cut it afterwards. 다음에 자르는 거야. This sounded nonsense. 말도 안 됐지만 but she very obediently got up. 앨리스는 순순히 일어서서 and carried the dish around. 접시를 돌렸고 and the cake divided itself into three. 케이크가 셋으로 나눠졌죠. Pieces as she did so. 저절로 Now cut it up. Said aloud. 이제 자르는 거야. As she returned to her place with the empty dish. 앨리스가 텅 빈 접시를 가지고 자기 재료로 갈 때 말했죠. I say this isn't fair, cried unicorn. 공평하지가 않아, 유니콘이 말했죠. As Alice sat with a knife in her hand. 앨리스가 칼을 쥐고 앉았을 때 very much puzzled how to begin. 어떻게 해야 될지 모르고 어리둥절해 있을 때. The monster has given the lion twice as much as me. 사자가 저 괴물이 사자에게 내 거에 2배를 줬어. She's kept none for herself anyhow, said the lion. 하지만 자기 건 없잖아. 사자가 말했죠. Do you like plain cake, monster? 괴물아, 너 건포도 케이크 좋니? But before Alice could answer him, 하지만 앨리스가 답하기도 전에 the drums began. 드럼 소리가 울렸죠. Where the noise came from, 그 큰 소리가 들리는 곳에서 she couldn't make out. 어디서 들리는지 알 수 없었죠. The air seemed full of it, and it rang through and through her head. 계속 그 소리가 울려댔어요. Till she felt quite deafened. 거의 귀가 안 들릴 때까지. She started to her feet and sprang across the little brook in terror. 너무 무서워서 일어나서 개울을 달렸죠. And had just time to see the lion and unicorn rise to their feet. 그리고 사자와 유니콘도 일어났어요. With angry looks at being interrupted in their feast. 잔치 중에 방해를 받아서 화가 난 것 같았죠. Before she dropped to her knees. 앨리스는 무릎을 꿇고 앉았고 and put her hands over her ears. 양손으로 귀를 막았죠. Vainly trying to shut out the dreadful uproar. 너무너무 그 큰 소리를 막으려고. If that doesn't drown them out of town. drum이 저들을 쫓아내지 못한다면 she thought herself nothing ever will. 그 어떤 것도 해내지 못할 거야.